Today we're going to build our very own do-it-yourself FPV START block. Launch block, launch pad, whatever you'd like to call it. And we're going to test it out with our maiden launch. If you missed last week's video, we did a different kind of launch. We started our fast track FPV course. And if you're new or fairly new to FPV, or happen to be an experienced FPV pilot that wants to help other folks out, and you missed last week's video, go ahead and check it out in the video in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Also, you can access the course website through a link in the video description below that will take you to a complete course description as well as a detailed course curriculum. But you better hurry, because this enrollment period ends this Father's Day, Sunday, June 16th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And the next enrollment period is not going to open up for a few weeks. Okay, let's get started on our build. This is going to be fun. We're going to make a launch block from a 5-inch quad. To do that, we're going to measure the distance between the front and back motors. And that's about 6 3/4, almost 7 inches. So we want the length of both of the sides of the box to be at least 7 inches long. This scrap piece of 2x4 is 19 inches. Cut it in half. It's almost 19 inches, which would be 9.5, so it's just going to be short of 9.5 inches. I'm going to make the cut right here. Make the cut. Pretty good. Now what we want to do, set these down flat. Spread them apart to the width of the arms on the quad. And then we want to measure the distance between these two boards. Inside to inside board, we go about 5 1/4 inches inside to inside. So we need to cut a piece of wood to go inside here, 5 1/4 inches long. There. Okay. Now what we want to do is drill 2 holes on either side. And we're going to insert some long wood screws, one up top, one down at the bottom, on either side of this to hold these 2 side pieces secure to this base piece. Sufficiently far enough away from the edge so the wood doesn't split. Alright, now what I want to do is paint it that bright green. Will help me find it in case I forget to pick it up. And green is one of my brand colors. Okay, we just have a couple more steps to go on our FPV START block before we're finished. Of course, the most important step is to affix your TMac FPV decals to each side of the START block. Just like that. Now what I want to do is go ahead and use some spray lacquer over it just to seal in the decals on the boards and to seal the wood and the paint from deteriorating in the weather if we happen to leave it out. And the last thing we need to do to add to our FPV START block is to add this sponge window seal to the top of it. And the kind I'm using is 1/4 inch thick, 1 inch wide. It's sticky on the bottom, and we just need to measure it out. Right there. Cut it off. And just stick it down in place like that. Do the same on the other side. Let's go try it out. Well, I think the START block works well. I'm pretty happy with it. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more stuff. Check out the Fast Track FPV course through the link in the video description below. Share the video with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Clear skies, my friend.